Okay, I'm going to quickly show you how to nest seams to get really perfect corners. You can see maybe your corners will match up. Okay, so you take your two pieces and you see how I have them ironed to the side rather than open. And then you just are going to slide together until they kind of lock in place. And you can use your finger to feel that it's nice and smooth right there. And you just get your pen and just try to pin it in place. I try to go along the seam twice just so that it stays put. So I'll just do that one more time so you don't have to go back and rewind. So take your sides and you just slide until they're matched up. And you can feel like, so you see how they're off on this side? So you can kind of feel that with your finger. You'll get some muscle memory there as you practice. But once they feel nice and slid together and locked in place, just pin. Okay, I'll do one more. Slide in place. All right, well, let's sew this and see what we get. The other thing I'll show while we're doing this is chain piecing. So you just keep your needle there and leave it, and then just start with your next one. And just go in a row, and they'll just kind of connect your pieces together and keep them all in one long chain. And it really helps speed up and streamline your piecing operation. And some people like to make sure that this seam is going one direction versus the other, but quite frankly, I just don't really notice a difference. Everything tends to just turn out. So I don't really think too hard about that. Okay, so there we go. Nice, perfect corners. So what I like to do is sitting down with my husband or with the kids to watch a movie, I'll get my pile of whatever I need to put together, and I'll just nest in pen while I'm sitting on the couch. And then the next morning when everybody's off at school and I have some time on my hands, then I'll go ahead and do my chain piecing and just kind of do an assembly line. All right, so now we go press.